In today's video, we're doing all new Dollar Tree hacks. Do you hate removing labels off of the bottom of your Dollar Tree items? I know it's so frustrating because they get stuck on there. A hack you can try is take your blow dryer on low setting and put your blow dryer on that label just for a few seconds. This is going to loosen up the glue. So it really does a great job of removing the label once it's heated up. Now you're still gonna have this sticky residue. I recommend removing that with Goo Gone. That's the best thing I have found. And if you're wondering about these cups, these are the latest cups that are out at Dollar Tree. They're absolutely gorgeous. They come in this full line. They have plates, bowls, and these cups that come in 2 different sizes. So hopefully you can find them at your Dollar Tree. Do you want to get the air out of your freezer bags, but don't want to spend a lot of money on an expensive vacuum seal? Try this hack. Take a straw and poke a hole in a cup. I had a plastic cup, so I did have to cut my cup for my straw to fit through, but if you had a paper one, it'd probably work just fine. Zip your bag up almost all the way. Then you're gonna take your straw and place it at the end of your bag. On the other end, put your cup on the back of the blow dryer. Turn the blow dryer on just for a few seconds, and it should remove all the air from your bag. Then you're left with a bag that's perfect to put in the freezer. A hack you can try to keep your drinks cool without watering them down is to take frozen fruit, freeze it, and then you can add it to your drinks. I'm cutting up some watermelon, and then I'll just place it on a baking sheet, pop it in the freezer, and it's good to go. After your watermelon or whatever fruit you're using is frozen, you can place as many into your cup as you like. And then just add in your favorite drink. I am loving this drink. It's giving the best watermelon flavor to my Sprite. Perfect for a hot day. I love making succulent bowls and arrangements. I think they look so pretty. This is one that I did, I don't even know, a few months ago. This is a light globe that I got from the Restore, and then I just have a Dollar Tree plate underneath here. I put in some of my favorite plants that I got at Walmart, and it is thriving. It is going so good. I love it. I wanted to try to recreate another one for you. Hopefully this one will be even bigger. This planter is one you could get at Walmart, but honestly, you could use anything. Anything with a large bowl or a base to it is going to be perfect. So I'm going to start by putting in some filler. So I got a package this morning, and I'm going to use this as my base around the edge. Next, I'm gonna add in sheet moss. I've used this before. It's from Lowe's, and I'm gonna concentrate on the edges. If I need to add more once I add in my succulents, that's okay, but I'm just gonna try to get a base down with my moss. Now, I definitely recommend going with the sheet moss over loose moss, because you can see how I put in that entire piece and it's not completely broken up. Yes, it is messy, but just broken up moss is going to be a lot messier than the sheet moss. At this step, we've kind of created a donut of moss. Now we're gonna try adding in our plants. Now, you may have to add in things to kind of support and hold your plants up, but we're gonna keep these in the container. These are the ones I picked up from Walmart. You can get a variety of succulents, whatever speaks to you. So you're gonna figure out which plant you want to go in the center, place that one in. I'm actually gonna start with a couple, and you're going to kind of push those down into your grouping. Now these little ones are great because they're going to be smaller, but they're gonna be good to add to the edges, or if you have a center area where you need a little bit of height, these will be good. So we kind of got all of our succulents in here. I just kind of smushed them in until I was happy with the way they look. Now what I want to show you is, you can see the containers in the back here. So that's what we need to cover. So now what we're gonna do is go in with our moss and almost break it up and make it into smaller pieces, or you may, in some cases, just want loose moss, and your goal is to cover those black containers that are sticking out. You don't want to be able to see those in your arrangement. All right, here it is all done. You guys, this was so easy to put together. I know you could recreate this at home. Do you like the pink stuff cleaner? If so, I want to show you an option you could put together at home with just 2 ingredients. You're going to need baking soda and dish soap. Start by adding baking soda to your container. Then I'm going to put in dish soap, mix them together. Add dish soap until it's the consistency of a thicker pudding. If you have a container like this, you can keep it under your sink, or you could just make it up whenever you need it. This is perfect in your bathroom. I really like using it in my kitchen. It's also great for cleaning out my sink and getting it to really shine. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is hacks. I love serving ice cream at parties, but I don't like scooping it out. So here's a way you can do it ahead of time. I like getting one of these big containers of ice cream. You can see my kids have already been eating on this. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop all of my ice cream out and put it on a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Now you can just put it in the freezer until your party. When it's time for ice cream at your party, just take them out of the freezer and they're ready to serve. Now, if you plan to serve these in sugar cones, a hack you can do to make sure that none of the ice cream drips out the bottom is to pick up some mini marshmallows, and you're just gonna put a mini marshmallow at the bottom of your cone. You could actually put a couple if you wanted to. Then you can just place your ice cream on top of your cone. One of my frustrations with store-bought pillows is how they tend to look over time. For example, I have this pillow that I got at Walmart. It was probably around $10, and it just doesn't lay that well sitting here on my couch. It doesn't crease in the middle, and it's just not the best. So if you're willing to spend just a little bit more, I want to show you a hack you can try. Amazon has so many gorgeous pillow covers. This was one that I picked up. It came in a 2-pack. I just love the pattern on it. These pillowcases are 18 by 18 in size. So the hack you want to do is you want to pick up a pillow insert that's at least 2, but 4 inches is better, 4 inches bigger than your pillowcases. So this one is 22 by 22. I'm going to link it for you down below in the description box. Take your larger pillow insert and put it into the smaller pillow cover, and let me show you the difference. Now, it's important whenever you're doing this to make sure that you pull the pillow insert to each of the corners. These are my current pillows. I'm gonna change these Walmart pillows out for the ones that I picked up off of Amazon and show you the difference. Now, these are from Target, and I feel like I've had these now for several years, and I think they still look great. But these, you can definitely squish them and put the crease in them, and they just look so much fuller. So no matter what pillowcase you get, just buy your insert at least 4 inches bigger. Try this easy hack to never lose your chapstick again. You're gonna take a small screwdriver, a lot of us have these around our house, and you're gonna poke a hole at the top. From there, you can just thread this onto your keychain, and we always have to have our keys with us, so you'll always have your chapstick. If you're looking for a fun way to make pancakes, consider using a squeeze bottle. So you're gonna make your pancakes like you normally would, putting them into a bowl. Combine your pancake mix and water. You can use any squeeze bottle for this. Now, if you have a funnel, it's gonna make it so much easier. These are from Amazon. I'll link them for you down below. Take your funnel and place it into your container. Make sure it's up all the way. And then you're just gonna pour your batter into your funnel. We're gonna attempt some fun shapes. First up, we're gonna do mouse ears. Okay, so now I'm thinking I'm gonna try a heart. Okay, we're gonna attempt a flower. And it's a real win if your kids can actually guess what shape you're trying to make here, but this is a lot of fun. Let me know down in the comments which shape I should try next. So I recently heard a designer online say that you shouldn't burn your decorative candles in your house because they just look so much better. And I would love to know what your opinion is. I mean, I obviously have candles like these tapered candles right here. I haven't burned those, but I have other candles like this mug candle here that I've burned. So I would love to know what you think. Should you burn your decorative candles or not? Let me know down in the comments. A hack you can try whenever you're putting out fruit for the summer, or if you're having people over, is to get one of these inexpensive containers from Walmart. They come in 3 different sizes. They're perfect for adding in a variety of fruit. Not only are they clear so you can see what's inside, but they come with lids so you can put your lids on. So if it's outside, it's gonna keep the bugs away, and inside, it'll just keep everything covered and protected. I recently learned a paint hack to avoid getting your paint brushes looking like this. If you have paint all down your handle and on this metal piece, try this hack. So this is a clean paintbrush. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place tape around the metal portion and a little bit on the bottom of my bristles. Next, use your brush to paint your project. Now before you go to wash your brush, just remove the tape. So when you go to wash your brush, you're just gonna put it down this way so that all the paint is going to drain down in the sink. I think this one looks better. Whenever you travel, are you so tired of your jewelry getting tangled up? Here's a way to easily keep your earrings separated. So you're going to need a button. Any button will do, and just take your earrings and place them through the holes of your button. This is going to prevent them from tangling up with your necklaces, bracelets, and it'll keep them separated until you're ready to wear them. Let me show you an updated hack you can try for making a s'more that my family loves. You're gonna need 2 things. Of course, you're gonna need your marshmallows and these fudge stripe cookies. And I'm gonna show you how to make it in your microwave. Put your first cookie down, put a marshmallow on top, and then put another cookie on top. You're gonna place this in the microwave, but you need to watch it because this marshmallow could start exploding. As soon as you see the marshmallow getting big, you wanna stop it. It's already melted, only about 10 seconds in the microwave. Let me know down in the comments your favorite hacks that you'd like me to try in an upcoming video, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.